weekly update of the 2019 build season. So far in our season, we've gone to the 2019 Kickoff event at the Past Foundation, had our annual design week where we discussed strategies with different designs for our robot, and included our first week of build, the second week of build season, where we finished up prototyping and really got into the meat of building our robot for this season.
Design week was a lot of learning. It was a little overwhelming at first. Like the game and like robotics in general was like more complex than I expected, and building a robot, like they do a lot more than I expected, so it was very different. It's different than anything I've ever done, and there's like a lot of thinking involved and problem solving, which is really cool, but mostly learning on like what the robot is able to do and not able to do and what we're able to build.
This year's strategy, we're going for both the cargo and the hatch panel, and we're going for the low goal on the cargo ship, the middle and high goal for the rocket ship.
I'm the leader of Controls, and so far what we've been doing, I've been teaching the new people how to code for like robots. The language we are using is Java, and as of right now, they are coding for another robot that we have called Susan. It's our duck robot, because she's super simple and it's a good exercise.
Being a new freshman on the Controls team, it's actually pretty fun. We have a bunch of really nice mentors, and they help us. They taught us mostly a lot about Java and like a new program they're using called VS Code, and they're also teaching us how to work our way around a control panel, including stuff like where to plug in certain wires and stuff, and how to make sure we don't drop the batteries.
So we are almost done with the chassis. This year we decided to use different type of wheels compared to last year. And I would say that our robot is very sturdy. Now our robot can actually move left instead of having to readjust to turn left or move left.
Thank you so much for watching our first weekly update. Stay tuned for more updates throughout our build season.